Got him?
Got probably about
Bring him in. Bring him in.
2-pound bass right here. Just hooked onto him.
Nice. There he is. Nice. That's pretty good.
See that, Dale? See, I catch my fish.
That's a solid bass.
Yeah, it's a good, let's say 12 inches. Probably 13. For about 1.5 pounds. Good solid bass.
Hey, that's an honest fish right there.
Yeah, that's an honest fish. Can't freaking
Getting too much glare from the water. Hey, hold up to the camera.
I'll go over there. I'll hook him over there.
Let's see that thing. Oh, nice.
Good size.
Yeah, he was noisy. You can hear him thrashing over there.